All right, good day. As usual, I am Seso, aka Skinning Great Man, and I teach the subject called I Love Mathematics. Today, we are going to look at equation. Equation is just term or terms involving the equal sign, and there are some rules guiding the equation. We want to go through the rules quickly and know how to deal with the rules. Now, there's an equal sign, and therefore we call it equation. Rule number one says we have minus crossing the equal sign. Now, the rule is that when a minus or negative crosses the equal sign, it becomes positive. It changes its sign to positive, and vice versa. So it means that positive also crosses the equal sign to give you negative. Rule number two says that when the division sign crosses the equal sign, it becomes multiplication, and vice versa. That means that multiplication also crosses the equal sign to give you division. Now let's look at how to use these rules in our work. Manual pause here. Pause. All right, now we are going to apply the principle or the rules that we just learned to do this simple work. Now, the question says that x plus 5 equals 8. Here, we have to group the numbers to one side and keep the variable at one side. So the equation sign has got a left-hand side and then a right-hand side. On the left, we have x plus 5, and on the right, we have only 8. Therefore, to work it, we have x, we move the 5 to where the 8 is. That means that the 5 has to change its sign. Now, we did not move the 8, we keep its sign. We move the 5, we change its signs to minus, and then we have 5. So here, x is equal to 8 minus 5, which is 3. Let's try another question. Now in this question, we have y minus 6 equal to 9. Here, we still maintain the variable y because we are not moving it. We group the 6 and the 9 to one side. So we have y equal to 6 moves. So we keep the 9, then the 6 changes its sign to plus 6. So we now have y equal to 9 plus 6 gives us 15. In example number 3, we have 2x equal 8. Remember that I told you that when we are multiplying, the multiplication causes the equal sign to divide. But we have a way of doing it. We copy the same numbers again, and then we divide by the coefficient of x. That is the number multiplying the variable x. So here we have 2x divided by the number multiplying the variable x is 2. Equal 8 divided by 2. Now we cancel out the 2 from the x. Then we get x equal 2 divides itself once, divides 4 and 8 4 times. We now have x equal 4. Let's try another example. Now in the example number 4, we have 1 over 5x equal 10. We have to cross multiply because when we are dividing, it crosses the equal sign to multiplication. So we now have 1x, but we don't write 1x, we write only x equal 10 divided by and multiplied by the denominator, which is 5. So we write 5 here. Now x equal 10 times 5 is 50. Therefore, our x is 50. Thank you very much. Alright, now I'll give you these 3 questions to solve. Try them. When you finish, send it to me. I'll look through it, and then we do corrections where we need to do it. and move on to another form of equation. Thank you very much. See you another time. But always remember that my name never changes. It is always the same. I am Seso, aka Scaling Great Man, and I teach the subject called I Love Mathematics. Bye bye.